Microwave TV.
Blinga, good night. Blinga. Alright, seriously, I'm just 2 cents for all the people who living in America undocumented, don't have any papers. Now is the time to go and get an immigration attorney.
What happened now, New York?
Pick up 2 undocumented persons on White Plains Road today. If we don't have no papers in a foreign, we go talk.
What you mean? Then pick up 2. What you mean? What then do?
Then have no papers and
no. What then do? What then do?
Them just upon the bad list. Them a pick up the one them first who have a file. You know, them come here, them come through the border, them been in a store, out a store, walk on a thief. So those are the ones that are going to get it first. Then it come down to the mothers who came here, pan a visa, get pregnant, still never sorted out themselves, and the list goes on and on and on. If we don't have no papers in America, now is the time. If you go get an immigration attorney, sit and speak to that immigration attorney and see what they can do for you. There's always something.
But when the immigration attorney, I got to feed them a worthless, dirty cutlass, you know.
So there's something. There things can be get done. Immigration, them not offer them thing or no don't want to offer them because Trump is not playing. It's never too late. It's never too late to speak to an immigration attorney.
And waste some money that before them are gonna take that care with them in them purse, because let me tell you, some of these immigration attorney, they're just all about money.
Well, before you get an immigration attorney, you want to Google that person. You want to make sure say them papers right. You know, them license right, how much years them are do immigration services for, look on them reviews, go at them office, go check them out, you know, just go get an immigration attorney just like that.
Boy, rich kids,
you ask them for them license number, check them out with the state, if them have a license for run business, I do what them have to do. But no is not the time to sit and play and depend. Trump. Trump is now in and Trump is not playing.
But rich kid, for tell her the truth where God love, me not think they can be saved.
They can be saved. People can get married. People can seek asylum. DACA.
We must send them home with them. You know, hear the man say, he now want to separate no family, so we could have the citizens a little more. We can go home with them.
If is it that you have a case pending, waiting to see the judge, him cannot send you home.
Right now, the judge I work with Trump too. Everybody I work with Trump.
And so that is why you stay in a sanctuary city, which is a blue state, all blue state. Yes, them still can raid. The good thing about it is that the governor and the mayor won't assist. So keep your ass for all undocumented personnel who are on the live. Keep your ass, stay your ass into a blue state. Blue state meaning a democratic run, a democratic governor, a democratic mayor. Everything is a Democrat, and that is how most of you guys can get saved. So come out of the red state, the slow red state, them, and move on the ass into a blue state. So, and you have to know your rights. If you know you're undocumented, and when ICE knock on your door and them are going to identify themselves as ICE police officers, do not open your door. No say nothing to them, no talk to them. Just keep silent in your house. And you contact an immigration attorney. You contact a bestie to make them know. So look here, immigration officer, they are my door. Do not open that door like big like a down a Jamaica, there. And ready to go fight. Keep your door closed. No make pick them answer no door. A moment that they here, keep your door closed. Turn down on the TV or no papers.
Rich kid.
No nice at all.
Rich kid, what happened to the undocumented people them? When they here and I trouble the people them where work and I pay them tax. What am I gonna do with them? They want they will go back in for interview and them something there.
Alright, so again, I forgot to just continue speaking to your lawyer because the first thing what Trump do, the app where Biden bill him delete that. That is no more.
Let's see it to them.
Right. So your papers them, your receipt them with your A number. Do not give them the original. Photocopy. Make a photocopy of the original. In the original somewhere and walk with a photocopy because them know who them are look for. To be honest, these people know who they're looking for.
So what happened to the people them where get off of them papers and I wait for the next off?
Once them can punch in your A number pan for them system, and again some ICE agent will give you a warm time, but them can't just pick you up and just deport you. You have to see a judge first. By law, you must see a judge. Them can't just take you up and just put you in a one van and carry you go put you somewhere.
And that's the problem.
You must see an immigration judge before you get deported out of this country.
Yes, but that's the problem, New York. What you're saying, you're right, but they not see no judge some of them. They might get deported out of this country.
Well, the next thing what you want to do is make sure you have a bestie who you know them number out of the top of your head. You know the entire 10-digit number where you can call and say, look here, me na ICE detention. You know what to do.
No for them. No for them not see no judge. Only for them not see no judge, especially with the mass deportation. You think them have time to, some of us see and some not see. Then just go find themselves down at Texas down there so and for one plane the next morning. Judge, see judge. People them want to get to that people them out here.
I go say go get an attorney before attorney start raises them price because also it is a business.
All right, and again you are correct. What happened to them one them when I have dry shit in them body all the first dollar for go get attorney?
Them the day you're a waste time.
All right.
Them the day you're a waste time, and so that is why I'm saying no, it's not time for waste. Donald Trump already never liked black people from the get-go. And vanilla skin color people is not for us. Donald Trump is for white people. So
you want me to tell you, they knew that Donald Trump was going to win. So they had they had their chances to jump. But them sit down and them I listen to this one and I listen to that the one and I listen to that the one. You never need eyeglass to say a different thing I go on. Even if I did Kamala. The same deportation shit would have gone.
Every president deport people, but it's just that said Donald Trump loud with it. So get the best. What the immigration lawyer charge all $10,000.
More than that. Right now, Spar and Burn still supposed to go beard.
Yeah. You know, if is it that you can't find one man or one woman for married to, make up one story. Someone come from the inner city, make up one story and get the attorney and seek asylum, the refugee.
Them should have listened
go back home, them go kill you, no?
And them should have listened to Bling because I know to them, I tell them, rich kid, me I said to them, say, when the big fat woman them are look, the overweight, look them back. They are the ones that help, they not listen.
Yep. Trump give them the okay, give ICE the okay if you go read schools, churches, so you're in there in a Holy Ghost. So hallelujah. And when you look ICE all and pioneer, that's the time to go. So they have the right to go read a church, school, supermarket, place of business.
But let me tell you something. You see what them start out with? School, because the people undocumented putting them with their school, and that leads back to the parents.
Yeah, so
It bad. It not easy.
I'm not gonna wish bad for anybody, but them all too. When I get them the good information yet, because I want old lady to tell me, them pick up 2 pan should have shown me the picture on White Plains Road today.
Me not like to know. I wish part on White Plains Road.
That never asked her because she was so busy at talk the story and they never me she talk to me sit down at work listening. Some workplace they work for the boss they like when you look, ice, outer door, stand up and open the door, let in ice. They come phone so now they are work or no papers don't work underneath the table, look out on the eye, take the Bluetooth from out on the ears, look out on the eye and make sure because when them come them not hide.
Hear my daughter say, oh, they're not starting here, they're starting in Chicago.
No, they're everywhere. They are everywhere at this point in time. They are everywhere. And them not hiding.
Mighty God of Daniel.
The good thing about it is that the governor, Oakle, and the mayor, Eric Adams, for the state of New York, will not assist in regards to round up these personnels who are here. They're not going to assist them.
Mighty Moses. Well, thank you for this information. It was well said. And now, I hope you guys can go and spread this. Because it's serious now.
For persons who don't have any money, call 311. If you're in the state of New York, call 311. Ask to speak to an immigration attorney, and they will give you numbers to call. And you will get a pro bono attorney. You will get like an appointment set up to come speak to a pro bono attorney, and so forth. So 311, you call them here, tell them, look here. By law, they can't ask you any question. Just tell them you would like to speak to an immigration attorney, and the representative who's on the phone will lead you with some numbers in a right direction. 311, if you do not have any money to get the immigration attorney, you can get pro bono attorney. Pro bono attorney means it's free. These attorneys, they just graduate from law school, and so they want build cases, them want to win cases and make them name before them can go out there. So they are working with attorney who's in the business. So 311, you call 311, you want to speak to an immigration attorney, and they will give you the numbers. And from there you take it on, sit down in our house, make the phone call them and stop play around. Alright, so I'm now gonna take up Blinga time. Thanks guys for having me. I'm gonna again can work tomorrow.
Yeah, this is so sad, and I'm glad you come tell them because it's serious. It's serious. What a piece of high-class carelessness. What a heap of passer. So what's I going to do? I'm like a dirty drunk crowd walking at trouble people who are going to food stamp, but I couldn't get food stamp and I live for free. I go a doctor, go get like a blue pill. What am I going to do now? I don't sorry for you know why I don't sorry for no? When you too out of order, when you walk and tell life on too much fucking people, especially people like me. I don't sorry for you, no, too wicked. When you go on, go dead for hungry. But I want him to alone if he can come back after 10 years because we know sit down there rough. But you know if you go sit down and think to yourself and say, you know, say, me shouldn't do this. When me do this for? Look where me end up now. Yeah man, when I forget away. When I put to go away, man, when I give too much problems. You need to rust cloud trouble some. When I give a lot of problems and should walk in trouble people all over the place. When the gun download people pussy, I will never forgive one on the look Ross clause. It's too wicked, man. When they download video of people that have sex and it says bling on his little Ross, when you never know Trump will come. It's Trump signed my citizenship, you know. Donald Trump is the one that signed my citizenship. I'm telling you. I'm going to look for a picture and fucking show, no, don't trouble Trump. It's like I'm the Lord's anointed, you know. When you never know, this day gonna come. Not even me not safe, you know, and him sign my citizenship. Even though that man signed my citizenship, me fuck myself, he send me home too. Cause not even me not safe, but who know in a worse send one position than me, you know. At least me can say, listen to me. I know my rights, you know. And at least when eyes come to knock on my eyes, or you know, I can open it. I have so many different identifications to show eyes. I have a lot of things to show eyes, you know. I have my regular state ID, I have my driver's license, I have a military ID, I have passport, I have everything to show eyes. Una little Ross Clot never know say to the come to this, right? Look what un about to know. Go see them run up and down and scatter. Go see them scatter like a fucking roaches. Huh? All over the place I walk a catch with people. But it is going to be a hell of a issue, you know. It is going to be a hell of a issue, you know why? The people them sooner want them in the house because them can't go food to stay there, you know. All them free apartment they where them get them go run left, you know. Because you see, Trump soon go to the welfare system to see who and who undocumented and getting this and getting that. Trump is starting in the detention center, you know. Let me look at my citizenship and see. Mighty God of Daniel. No, I'm not rejoicing. It's just the truth. It's just the truth. I'm not rejoicing over them. But it's the truth, man. Look like a fucker. We know so this day I go come. Eh? I want an every day, night and day. So let's stop it. Stop. Get trouble up on the app and it's still a walk and get trouble of fuck around people. All in the zoo walk and fuck around people every day. I tell them, I beg them, stop it. But they're still giving trouble. You don't listen, man. Make a look what Donald Trump signed. Is where Donald Trump signed. I'm going to show you and see if you can see where he signed my citizenship, you know. Wait there. I wonder if him signed it. Is that even Ross member? I think I him, you know. Which is U.S. Citizen and Immigration Services at New York, New York. Such person is admitted as a citizen of the United States. How Donald Trump's signature stay? Because of this signature, you may have four minds. This signature, you may have four minds. A fool for signature this year. I'm not looking for Donald Trump's signature stay, you know. Maybe I'm going to look for me, please. You never know. But me just know say Donald Trump. And so we don't know where it's for yourself. We don't have what is coming to us, you know. Right, stop sending me requests, me now audio. You want to know what year me get my citizenship? Really, Lizzie? Really? I'm Tony and it's time to block you. Block. Who vex? TikTok magistrate. Let me tell you something. It's Biden sign it as guest. Let me tell you something. This is not a joke anymore, you know. This is serious stuff. This is not a joke. Ain't nothing jokey about this, you know. Nothing no jokey around this. Trump right different, okay. Guys, wanna see how Derek angle the situation with my man there with Shalom.
You know, me not gonna argue with you. Salam, me not gonna argue with you. Me not gonna argue with you. Me not gonna argue with you. Me want the class now and bring it on Salam. I remember last time they run you, the man they run it, the water, jump on the water. Yeah, me not cuss you. Me not argue with you. Me want to live in the guest house to me dead. And I spell upon you, mommy. You know, I'm not cuss you, show me like you. That's why I'm not cuss you. I'm not cuss you. You know, and shit not play it. I'm going to come down, Salam. I'm going to come down, Salam. I'm not cuss you. Me, and I'm going to tell you, I'm not look at you. I'm not cuss you. I'm not cuss you. Rub me out, Salam. Rub out Dirt Magan. Class Dirt Magan. Bring the Dirt Magan. Wicked pan TikTok. All I want to bring the Dirt Magan pan TikTok. On a classic, on a drag Dirt Magan, on a drag him, go on a drag him, come back. I mean, a here, make blood clot Dirt Magan, drag Dirt Magan and push him so, and dash him so, to blood clot. Put it on the Spanish Town Gallery board. Yeah, I don't want no blood clot to me. Salam, cost me to, them say me a play it. I'm going to come to have a ticket. Talk about everything about me, Salam. I don't care about what everyone say about me. I mean, I curse you. You're crazy. You're crazy. No, me not do that. I mean, sure, so you never see nobody by me. You know, you're not about me. Yeah. Yeah.
So what might be your first step? This next order relates to the definition of birthright citizenship under the 14th Amendment of the United States.
That's a good one. Birthright. That's a big one.
What about that one in the court? That one is likely to be passed.
Could be. I think we have good grounds, but you could be right. I mean, you'll find out. It's ridiculous. We're the only country in the world that does this with birthright, as you know. And it's just absolutely ridiculous. But, you know, we'll see. We think we have very good grounds.
President Trump, did President Biden leave you a letter?
He may have. Right? Don't they leave it in the desk? I don't know. Oh.
What's in there?
Thank you, Peter. It could have been years before we found this. Wow. Thank you.
Can you stay on the outside?
Maybe we should all read it together.
Let's read it.
Well, maybe I'll read it first and then make that determination.
That sounds great.
Peter, thank you very much. I may not have seen this for months.
Happy to help with the passing of the torch.
I did. I left him one in the desk just like this.
This is an executive order taking a large number of executive actions to secure our southern border.
Okay. Sounds reasonable.
President Trump, we remember 4 years ago, Barack Obama had told you that the top threat to the country was going to be North Korea. Did Joe Biden tell you what he thinks the top threat to the country is?
No,
right now?
no.
Why not?
I think we have a lot of them. Right now, I think we have a lot. I think North Korea turned out to be good. I was very friendly with him. He liked me. I liked him. We got along very well. They thought that was a tremendous threat. Now, he is a nuclear power. But we got along. I think you'll be happy to see him coming back.
What are you signing now, sir?
It's an executive order relating to reforms to the federal workforce, including to the senior executive service.
We're getting rid of all of the cancer. I call it cancer. The cancer caused by the Biden administration.
This next one, sir, is a declaration of a national energy emergency.
So you also
That's
have
a big
several-
one. You know what that allows you to do? That means you can do whatever you have to do to get out of that problem. And we do have that kind of an emergency.
President Trump, At some point, will you use your powers of the presidency to tell Americans who are concerned about drones? Well,
Yeah.
a few weeks ago,
Yeah.
what exactly
I
was
will.
happening?
You looked like you were having a good conversation with President Obama at President
I
Trump's
was.
funeral.
And you'd like to know what it was?
Everybody wants to.
Everybody wants to know. And I wouldn't want to, but we were having some crazy conversation.
About?
Why are you asking a question like that? You know, I don't think you want to know. You might not.
You just thought.
You might be insulted.
It's an executive order relating to holding former government officials accountable for unlawful disclosure of sensitive information. First, we have Alaska, sir. This is an executive order relating to unleashing Alaska's potential as an energy reservoir for the entire nation.
And what about Anwar?
I believe that would be included in aspects of the order.
So we're
sir.
opening up Anwar.
On the TikTok piece, President Trump, you and your members of your team now used to warn about the dangers of TikTok spying on Americans. What changed that you're not worried about that anymore?
Well, it depends on the deal. I mean, I may not do the deal or I may do the deal. TikTok is worthless. Worthless if I don't approve it. It has to close. I learned that from the people that own it. If I don't do the deal, it's worthless. Worth nothing. If I do the deal, it's worth maybe $1 trillion. $1 trillion. So if I do the deal I'm talking about doing it for the United States. If I do the deal for the United States, then I think we should get half.